Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Okay, so now what we are going to start today? We are going to start with our lesson number 4, Understanding Windows. And I know you love to work with TuxPaint. Okay, you have done a lot of activities on TuxPaint. I got the message from parents also. You love to do working on the touchscreen. So enjoy that. But today we are going to learn understanding Windows. So what is Windows? Now Windows is your operating system. ठीक है, जैसे कार को चलाने के लिए ड्राइवर लगता है, वैसे ही कंप्यूटर को चलाने के लिए जो मेन सॉफ्टवेयर है दैट इज अवर विंडोज. ओके, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? विंडोज. जैसे मोबाइल में कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर रहता है? एंड्रॉयड. ओके, same here in computer it is your Windows. Apple computers it is your Macintosh. Okay, so let us start with your Windows, understanding Windows. So children, who take care of all the household work? Tell me. Yes, your guessed right. You guessed right. Your parents look after all the household responsibilities in such a way that you do not have to worry about that. Okay, so as your parents are doing the work at home, your parents are running the home. Okay, your parents are managing the home. Same way, Windows is managing computer. Okay, so the role of parents in your home, same here Windows का role है, because they run the house with the system. Suppose your parents are not at home and you are being given the responsibility to manage the house. Think about that. What will happen then? It will be a tough task for you to manage. Okay, cleaning hai, everything is there. You will find yourself in the mess. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs. ओके, कंप्यूटर के पास भी एक स्पेशल सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स हैं. जैसे आपके पास पेरेंट्स हैं टू मैनेज एवरीथिंग, कंप्यूटर के पास भी प्रोग्राम है टू मैनेज ऑल द थिंग्स, एंड दैट इज नोन एज योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. जैसे आप पेरेंट्स बोलते हो, यहाँ हम उसको बोलते हैं ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ओके, अब इस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का नाम क्या है? जैसे पेरेंट्स हैं तो पेरेंट्स के तो बहुत सारे नाम हैं. आपके पेरेंट का नाम अलग होगा, दूसरे बच्चे के पेरेंट का नाम दूसरा होगा. तो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का नेम है यहाँ विंडोज. विंडोज इज योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ओके, विदाउट इट we cannot even start a computer and work on it. Now tell me children, when we use the word window, जैसे ही हमने बोला विंडो, क्या दिमाग में आया आपके? okay? क्या दिमाग में आया? Which image comes out of your mind? Likewise in computer, window is rectangular frame. जैसे आपके घर की विंडो भी रेक्टेंगुलर होती है और उससे आप बहुत कुछ बाहर देख सकते हो. सेम हेयर रेक्टेंगुलर फ्रेम की एक विंडो है, shows different programs on the screen. Okay, now the fact file. Who is he? He is Bill Gates. The full name is your William Bill H. Gates. Okay, and the founder of Microsoft Corporation. Okay, means your जो Windows बनाता है, ठीक है, Windows is a product of Microsoft. So the world's leading software company. Now here they are going to tell you about Windows 8. But the latest version of Windows is your Windows 10. Okay. Now what is desktop in Windows? So desktop. What is desktop? Let us see what is desktop. When we switch on the computer, Windows start automatically. The first screen that appears with label pictures are called desktop. It's called your desktop. Icon. The small labeled pictures on the symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific program or documents. You can understand the concept of icons in desktop with the help of given example. When you go to the kitchen and open a cupboard, you will find various labeled boxes containing different items. The cupboard like a windows and the labeled boxes are like the icons. See. जैसे कबर्ड में आपके बहुत सारे लेबल्ड आइटम्स रखे रहते हैं, वैसे ही डेस्कटॉप पर यहाँ लेबल्ड आइकन्स है. दीज आर द आइकन्स. Okay, this is known as your quick launch toolbar. जो ये start button है, this is your start button. Okay, the circular is your start button, and this area is known as your quick launch toolbar. And it will hold down the shortcuts for frequently used programs. These programs can be opened with a single click. It is located to right to the start button. Taskbar. Now what is taskbar? Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has the start button on the extreme left side corner. This is your extreme left side corner. The middle section of the bar shows button with the label for each open application and allows us to quickly switch between them. We can activate the application window by clicking on the taskbar button. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in lighter shade. Okay. So this is your taskbar. Now today what we have learned, this area is your desktop. So today what we have learned taskbar, we have learned about desktop. This area is desktop, this area is your taskbar, this is your start button, this part is your quick launch toolbar, and this is your notification area. Okay, this part is your notification area. So remember this part is known as, tell me what is this? Yes, desktop. What is this? Start button. This area is quick launch toolbar, and this is your task bar and the notification area. So goodbye for now. Take care. Drink plenty of water. Stay at home. Bye bye.